How to add debit card to Robinhood. Open your Robinhood application and go to this Profile section. Once you're in the Profile section, you will be seeing this kind of interface. Just click on these 3 lines on the upper left corner. Once you click there, you will be seeing this kind of menu. You can just click on Transfer and also click on Transfer. It will be redirected to this page. And you scroll down, go to the end, and you will be seeing like an option called Link Accounts. So you will be seeing all the accounts that already link. So from here, you can just click on Add Account. You will be seeing this kind of interface. Like choose account type, link 1 debit card or up to 3 bank accounts. So make sure to click on debit card. And once you click here, you will be asked to enter your card information. So from here you can just enter the complete card number. Select the month, the year, and just click on Continue. Your card will be linked to Robinhood. Thanks for watching.